Let's take a look at the best alkaline foods to supercharge your health after 50. Did you know that certain alkaline foods can make a huge difference in how you look and feel? That's right, what you eat can have a major impact on your body's pH levels, which is crucial for maintaining good health as we age. An alkaline diet is particularly beneficial for those of us over 50 because it helps reduce inflammation, supports bone health, and even boosts energy levels. Whether you're looking to feel more energized, improve your digestion, or just keep your body in tip-top shape, these foods are a must. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Let's kick things off with avocados, one of my personal favorites. These creamy, delicious fruits are packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are great for maintaining heart health. But that's not all. Avocados have some pretty impressive alkalizing properties too. They help balance the body's pH levels, which is essential for good digestion and overall health. Plus, their fiber content makes them a great choice for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Next up, let's talk about lemons. These little yellow powerhouses might be sour, but they're incredibly sweet when it comes to health benefits. You might be surprised to learn that despite their acidic taste, lemons actually have an alkalizing effect on the body. Once digested, they help to balance your body's pH levels, which is crucial for keeping things like inflammation and digestive issues at bay. Lemons are also fantastic for detoxifying the liver, which plays a huge role in keeping your body clean and running smoothly. Just a squeeze of lemon in your water each morning can help kickstart your digestion and boost your immune system. Plus, they're packed with vitamin C, which is great for skin health and immune support, two things we all need more of as we get older. Alright, let's move on to cucumbers, one of the most refreshing and hydrating foods you can add to your diet. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, which makes them fantastic for staying hydrated, especially as we age and our bodies need a little extra help in that department. But what's really interesting is how cucumbers can help flush out toxins from your body, thanks to that high water content. This natural detoxification process is key for keeping your skin clear, your digestion smooth, and your energy levels up. And here's something you might not know. Cucumbers are also great for balancing your body's pH. They have alkalizing properties that help reduce acid levels in the body, making them a perfect addition to your daily diet if you're looking to maintain a healthy pH balance. Now let's dive into kale, the leafy green that's earned its superfood status for all the right reasons. Kale is absolutely packed with vitamins and minerals. Think vitamin K, vitamin C, and calcium, making it a powerhouse for overall health. As we get older, bone health becomes increasingly important, and the calcium in kale is a great way to support strong bones without having to rely solely on dairy. But kale isn't just about keeping your bones healthy. It's also one of the most alkalizing foods you can eat. Its high chlorophyll content helps to neutralize acids in the body, reducing inflammation and promoting better digestion. Let's talk about watermelon, one of the most refreshing and satisfying fruits out there, especially during the warmer months. But watermelon isn't just about its sweet, juicy taste. It's also incredibly hydrating, which is crucial for maintaining good health as we age. With its high water content, watermelon helps keep your body hydrated and supports healthy kidney function by flushing out toxins. Watermelon has an alkalizing effect on the body, helping to balance your pH levels. This is important for reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Plus, watermelon is a great source of vitamins A and C, which are fantastic for your skin and immune system. Next on our list are almonds, one of the healthiest snacks you can grab. These little nuts are packed with healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which are great for keeping your heart in top shape. For those of us over 50, maintaining heart health is crucial, and almonds can play a big role in that. They're also a good source of protein and fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, making them a smart choice if you're trying to manage your weight. But that's not all. Almonds are actually quite alkalizing too. They help balance your body's pH, which is key for reducing inflammation and supporting overall wellness. Plus, their high magnesium content is fantastic for bone health, another big priority as we age. Let's move on to bananas, one of the most convenient and nutritious foods you can eat. Bananas are well known for being rich in potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting heart health, especially as we get older. This potassium boost helps keep your muscles functioning properly and can even reduce the risk of strokes, making bananas a must-have in your diet. But there's more to bananas than just potassium. They also have a mild alkalizing effect on the body, which can help balance your pH levels and support digestive health. Bananas are easy on the stomach, making them perfect for anyone dealing with digestive issues. Let's talk about garlic, one of the most powerful natural remedies you can have in your kitchen. Garlic is well known for its strong anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, which are incredibly important as we get older. It's packed with compounds like allicin, which not only helps fight off infections, but also reduces inflammation throughout the body. This makes garlic a fantastic ally in keeping your immune system strong and your overall health in check. But what's really interesting is that garlic also has alkalizing effects on the body. It helps to neutralize acids in your system, promoting a balanced pH and supporting good digestion. Plus, garlic can help detoxify the body by stimulating the liver to produce detoxifying enzymes. Now, let's talk about tofu, a versatile and nutritious plant-based protein that's great for anyone, but especially beneficial as we age. Tofu is rich in high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength, something that becomes increasingly important as we get older. It's also packed with important minerals like calcium and iron, making it a fantastic option for supporting bone health and energy levels. But what makes tofu even more interesting is its alkalizing properties. Eating tofu can help balance your body's pH levels, which is key to reducing inflammation and promoting overall wellness. Let's dive into blueberries, one of nature's most powerful little fruits. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are known for their ability to protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. For those of us over 50, this is incredibly important because it helps keep our brains sharp and our hearts healthy. In fact, studies have shown that regularly eating blueberries can improve memory and cognitive function, which is something we all want as we age. But that's not all. Blueberries are also low in sugar and have alkalizing effects on the body. This makes them a perfect snack or addition to your meals if you're looking to maintain a balanced pH and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Next up, we have green beans, a simple yet incredibly nutritious vegetable that deserves a spot on your plate. Green beans are a great source of fiber, which is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly as we age. That fiber not only helps with digestion, but also supports heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. Plus, green beans are low in calories, but high in vitamins like A, C, and K, making them a nutrient-dense addition to any meal. What's really great about green beans is that they also have an alkalizing effect on the body. This means they help to balance your body's pH levels, which is important for reducing inflammation and promoting overall well-being. Let's talk about beet greens, an often overlooked but incredibly powerful part of the beetroot plant. If you've been tossing these greens aside, it's time to stop because they're loaded with nutrients that can seriously benefit your health. Beet greens are rich in vitamins A and K, as well as minerals like magnesium and potassium, all of which are crucial for maintaining strong bones and a healthy cardiovascular system, especially as we age. But what makes beet greens really special is their alkalizing effect on the body. They help to balance your body's pH, reducing acidity and inflammation, which can contribute to a wide range of health issues. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and supports a healthy gut. Now, let's talk about apricots. These little golden fruits are not just delicious, they're also packed with nutrients that are especially beneficial as we age. Apricots are a great source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision and keeping your skin looking healthy. They're also rich in fiber, which helps keep your digestion smooth and supports a healthy gut. But what really makes apricots stand out is their alkalizing effect on the body. Eating apricots can help balance your body's pH levels, reducing acidity and promoting overall well-being. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and support your immune system. Let's spice things up a bit with cayenne pepper. This fiery little spice does more than just add heat to your meals. Cayenne pepper is known for its ability to boost metabolism, which can be particularly helpful as our metabolism naturally slows down with age. It's also great for improving circulation, helping to keep your blood flowing smoothly and your heart healthy. But here's something you might not know. Despite its spicy kick, cayenne pepper actually has an alkalizing effect on the body. It helps to neutralize acidity and supports a balanced pH level, which is crucial for reducing inflammation and promoting overall wellness. Up next, let's talk about jalapenos. These spicy little peppers might pack a punch, but they're also packed with health benefits. Jalapenos are great for boosting metabolism, which can help with weight management as we age. They also contain capsaicin, a compound that not only gives them their heat, but also helps to reduce inflammation and improve circulation, both of which are important for maintaining overall health. What might surprise you is that jalapenos, despite their fiery nature, actually have an alkalizing effect on the body. They help balance your body's pH levels, which can reduce acidity and support better digestion and overall well-being. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know which of these alkaline foods you already enjoy or which ones you're excited to add to your diet. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.